A milkman uses 3 containers for selling milk, their capacities being 40 liters, 30 liters and 20 liters respectively. He fills 87.5%, 80% and 90% of the containers with a mix of milk and water in the ratio 3:2, 5:1 and 7:2 respectively. What is the ratio of the total quantity of milk to that of water carried by him? Alright, so first of all we are given that there are 3 containers. So let's say those 3 containers are A, B and C, and their capacities are given to me as 40, 30 and 20 liters respectively. So capacity of A is 40 liters, B is 30 liters and capacity of C is 20 liters. He fills 87.5%, 80% and 90% of these containers. So 87.5% of A is filled, 80% of B and 90% of C, which is 20 liters. So let's see what are the actual values here. So getting rid of this decimal point and 0, 4 ones are 4, 25s are and 25 3s are 75 and 25 5s are 225. So 35 liters of A is filled, 0 0 0 0 gone, 8 3s are 24 liters of B is filled and 0 0 0 0 gone, 9 2s are 18 liters of C is filled. He fills this and with the mix of milk and water in the ratio 3:2, 5:1 and 7:2. So again in this 35 liters the ratio of milk is to water is given to me as 3:2. In this 24 liters the ratio of milk is to water is given to me as 5:1, and in this 18 liters the ratio of milk is to water is given to me as 7:2. What is the ratio of total quantities of milk to that of water carried by him? Now what he does is he mixes all 3 of them and put it in a new mixture, a new container, and now we are asked what is the ratio of milk is to water in this new container, right? So first of all what we'll do here is find out how much of milk is there in this new container. So here in this A 3 parts of milk is there out of total 5 parts. So in A 3 parts of milk is there out of total 5 parts of this 35, plus 5 parts of milk is there out of total 6 part of this 24. So 5 part is milk out of total 6 part of this 24, plus 7 part of milk is there out of total 9 parts. So 7 part of milk is there out of total 9 parts of this 18. So here from A we have 5 7s are 35, 7 3s are 21. So in this 35 liters 21 is milk, so the remaining here will be water. So the remaining here will be 35 minus 21, which is 14 water is there. 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20. So from this 24 liters 20 is milk, so remaining 4 will be water, and here 9 2s are 18, 7 2s are 14 is milk. So from this 18 14 is milk, so remaining 4 will be water. So the amount of milk and water that we have here is 21 plus 20 plus 14 will give me 55, and 14 plus 4 plus 4 will give me 22. So the ratio of milk is to water is 55:22, or I can say that 11 5s are 11 2s are. So 5:2 is the ratio of milk is to water in the new mixture. So here this is our required answer, 5:2. Here option D is the correct one.